Hello, Hello, science fans. Diatom Dave here at Fun Science Cheltenham. Now, as you can see, I've been having some trouble with my mask lately while I'm out shopping. And the problem is, I can't see. But there is a solution. And I want to share it with you. Here are my spare glasses. Let's see what happens with them. No problem. So what's the difference? The difference is this. Dish soap. All I've done is rub a little bit of dish soap onto my specs and it stops them fogging up. Here's how. Water, or H2O, is a special kind of molecule. It's what's called a polar molecule. Now, all this means is, like a battery, it has a positive end and a negative end. And positive and negative attract. So what it means is the molecules tend to stick together and form droplets like fog or a cloud. That's what's happening when I breathe out and the water vapour in my breath is condensing on my specs. The molecules are sticking together and forming a sort of a fog that stops me seeing. Now, adding soap into this mix disrupts that polar bond, which means that the molecules don't stick together quite so tightly. And so when the steam hits my glasses, they don't clump into fog, they stay separate and I can see. And I smell lemony fresh. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.